Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time, and today I just did a beautiful slay. This one comes courtesy of MsCoco, and they sent me this beautiful straight lace wig. In this video you're going to see how I cut these layers. I was on TikTok, what was it, a couple of days ago, and I seen this girl do this hack where she literally took the hair and she just like pinned it here, and then pinned it here, and then she cut across at each pin, and she was able to come up with this gorgeous, perfect, super layered cut. I'm not sure if you can see it here with this lighting, but it literally is the perfect, like, Aaliyah cut. It literally is everything and more. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video. Today we're going to do a start to finish install. Also rocking some baby hair and, you know, the whole jazz, the whole shebang. So if you're interested in rocking with me today and seeing how we got this look and maybe even learning a thing or two, keep on watching. Okay, my babies, so today I'm teaming up with MsCoco. They sent me this beautiful straight lace wig. I feel like I'm definitely in the mood today for straight. And I have a plan. So this is their packaging, and then this one here is 20 inches in length. It's a straight wig, 13x4 lace front, 180% density. There's some goodies and stuff in here as well, but you guys know I'll show you guys that later. As I mentioned, this is a 4-inch parting space. Now I do have a, ooh, cute. I do have a plan for this one. So I was on TikTok. You know, I feel like everybody starts their sentence off with that nowadays. I was on TikTok, but I seen a girl, she had like a side part, like, you know, Aaliyah vibes, side part, swoop bang, and then it had like the heavy layers. And how she did it was she kind of like took 2 pieces of hair, rubber band them, 2 pieces a little bit below that, and then another 3rd piece, and then she cut it across, and it, when she took the rubber bands off, it made the perfect layer. So I can't remember who it was. You know how you're scrolling late at night, so I can't remember the person to give them credit, but of course we've seen this done before many a times. I don't think I've ever done this. I think I've done a lot of different things, especially back in the day on Here with Hair, but that's probably one of the things I never did. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial. First, we're going to start with the install, of course. I'm probably not going to do that much customization because we are going to do a side part, or at least I think we're going to do a side part. Yeah, since it's 4 inches of parting space, I think this will suit the hair best. So let me pull out my wax stick and my electric hot comb and all my little goodies, and we're going to get started. You guys know, shopbedeckbeauty.com. I have it linked in the description box. That is where you can find this hot comb, and then it's also where you can find this wax stick. So let's go ahead and do the install, and then we'll do the style immediately after.
Your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the minute hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow, if you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came
Living my life on the ledge, I'm a legend. My brother got caught with a weapon, by 12 he was only 11. Fast forward a nigga to 8 and I'm feeling like 007. These niggas be angry as hell and I swear I'ma send them to heaven. Me and my dog in the reverend, this shit is morbid to me. Women be orbiting me, winning is normal to me. People be doing the most when they get a little audience, be how you normally be. All of my niggas a little off, some of them niggas is really on. She got a wiggle inside her jeans, I do not know how she fit them on. Me and these niggas don't get along, they be looking at me like I did them wrong. About to hit the bank, then I hit the bong. On the same shit, just a different song. And I hopped in the game like a 6-man, hoping it make me a rich man. Lean on your bitch with a kickstand, she done snuck it.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Okay, love bugs, so I think I executed it. I may have put too much emphasis here. You guys see how like I did a perfect job here, but then it's like super long, so I feel like I need to cut it and go here to make it perfect. But I actually don't want to take my length off, so let me know what you guys think I should do. As far as the hair itself, this is a beautiful, beautiful 13x4 lace wig. I love it and it was easy to install. Sometimes with some companies, especially when you're working with a new company, you get kind of nervous because if the wig doesn't fit your head, the install process is just annoying, which kind of throws me off a little bit a lot of the times, because it's kind of like if it takes a little extra to install it because the wig is loose and big, it just kind of just messes up my vibe and my excitement for the install. Now I love the fact that this one is nice and long and full. Again, I'm probably going to cut it about here, so I'm going to take about a full inch off. I was going to do it later, but I'll just do it now. And this is how much I took off. It didn't need a trim, it's definitely full, but I just feel like because I put those deep layers, it kind of like cramped the style in a way to keep the length. To me, that is much better, and I'll go up and clean it up later. And I'm just gonna take that Bedeck and bump it. I probably can go up even more, but I don't want to sit here and play in your face. You guys get the picture, and of course, you know how it is when you wear wigs. You constantly are doing something to upgrade and update it. So I ain't worried about nothing. As far as the brand, this is the box that the wig came in, and it's a pretty nice, sturdy, you know, heavy box. They put a little money into it. They also provided a dust bag, and I'm sure we are provided with the goodies, the usual suspects. So let's see. Yellow dolphin clips, an edge brush, rat tail comb, wig caps, purple bonnet. This is like a butterfly print headband, and then a pack of 3D mink lashes. So this one, the box specified that it was 20 inches in length before the haircut. I think they sent me a couple extra inches. I feel like I got at least 22 because look how long it is after the cut. So after the cut, it's given like 22, 24. So I ain't mad at it. They gave me a couple extra inches. That's always a plus. The hair itself, I believe, is 180% density, and it's definitely true to density. So if you want to keep your fullness, definitely don't cut layers. It's summertime. I definitely don't need all of the layers, you know, in mine. I mean, I don't need, you know, fullness. It's summertime. I'm probably going to wear this to 4th of July. I'm probably going to bump it tighter for the July, but I'm very, very pleased with this look. Let me know what you think. I did do the baby hair on the underneath, which you really can't see or tell with this one because of the way I have it styled, but it's always nice to be able to, you know, pull it behind the ear and give a vibe on either side, or even to like push it back into a pony, low or high. And you guys see this one has a nice good like sheen, a good bounce to it. No complaints at all. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, I'll have her linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.